Car wax brands protect paint, enhance shine, repel dirt, and prolong vehicle appearance, ensuring a polished, long-lasting finish. My today's video is about top 5 best car wax that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Meguiar's Wax. Meguiar's Ultimate Liquid Wax delivers professional-grade car care with ease, combining advanced protection, brilliant shine, and effortless application. Its improved synthetic formula forms a durable barrier that shields your vehicle from UV rays, environmental contaminants, and everyday wear, ensuring long-lasting paint protection. The wax enhances depth and gloss, providing a showroom-quality finish that highlights every curve of your car. Thanks to hydrophobic polymer technology, water beads and rolls off effortlessly, keeping your vehicle cleaner for longer and reducing the frequency of washes. Designed for versatility, it is safe for all glossy paints and clear coats, whether applied by hand or with a dual-action polisher like the Meguiar's MT300. The user-friendly spread-on, wipe-off application allows anyone to achieve professional results, even under full sunlight, making it an essential part of any car detailing kit. With Meguiar's Ultimate Liquid Wax, maintaining a gleaming, protected, and water-repellent finish has never been easier, elevating both aesthetics and vehicle longevity. Now our second product is Turtle Wax. The advanced car wax offers an exceptional blend of protection, shine, and ease of use, making it a must-have for automotive enthusiasts. Its proprietary formula combines 10 high-quality waxes with ceramic and graphene polymers to create a robust barrier that repels water, dirt, and contaminants, keeping your vehicle cleaner for longer. Beyond protection, it delivers a brilliant gloss, enhanced color depth, and an ultra-slick finish, elevating your car's appearance to a professional level. Super hydrophobic properties ensure extreme water beading, preventing water spots and speeding up drying while maintaining that freshly waxed look. Application is simple and versatile, whether hand-applied with a foam applicator or polished with a machine, it works efficiently even under direct sunlight, requiring no prior experience. Suitable for a wide range of surfaces, including clear coats, aluminum, chrome, glass, wheels, and headlights, it provides comprehensive protection while enhancing aesthetics. Lightweight yet powerful, this wax is an essential tool for car care enthusiasts seeking long-lasting shine and durable defense. Our third product is Colonite Wax. Colonite 845 Insulator Wax is a legendary car care product that has earned its reputation over 80 years, consistently delivering unmatched protection and brilliance. Highly rated and widely celebrated, this wax combines the best of both worlds, the durable defense of a paint sealant and the radiant, warm glow of premium Carnauba wax. Its proprietary blend of heavy-duty polymers and #1 grade Carnauba creates a dual-function hybrid formula that shields paint from UV damage, environmental contaminants, and surface heat while providing a glossy, reflective finish that enhances color depth and richness. Users report exceptional water beading thanks to its long-lasting hydrophobic properties, keeping vehicles cleaner for extended periods. With durability ranging from 4 to 7 months, 845 Insulator Wax offers protection comparable to many ceramic coatings but with a more natural, classic shine. Easy to apply and versatile across various paint surfaces, it remains a trusted favorite among enthusiasts seeking a combination of enduring protection, radiant gloss, and superior value. Now number 4, Car Guy's Wax. Car Guy's Hybrid Wax is a scientifically formulated car care solution that elevates automotive detailing to a whole new level. Designed for lasting performance, this advanced formula delivers a deep, reflective shine and a slick, protective surface that endures beyond typical waxes. Unlike conventional products, it is safe on all vehicle surfaces, paint, plastic, glass, and more, ensuring a spotless finish with no streaks or white residue, making it perfect for cars, trucks, motorcycles, RVs, and boats. Working at the molecular nano level, the wax enhances gloss, depth, and reflections, providing a true show car quality shine that turns heads. Quick and easy to apply, it combines convenience with professional-grade results. Made in the USA using advanced equipment, Guys prioritizes quality and consistency in every bottle. Complemented by a dedicated customer support team, this hybrid wax offers reliability, performance, and peace of mind, making it a must-have for anyone seeking superior shine and long-lasting protection. And our last choice is Cerakote Wax. Cerakote ceramic paint sealant delivers unmatched performance for car enthusiasts seeking long-lasting protection and show-quality shine. Boasting an industry-leading 50-wash durability rating, this advanced sealant is engineered to withstand months of environmental exposure, keeping your vehicle's paint looking pristine for longer. Its true ceramic technology creates an extremely hydrophobic surface that repels water, road grime, mud, and dirt, reducing cleaning frequency while maintaining a cleaner, glossier finish. The application process is effortless. Simply wash and dry your car, spray a light coat onto a panel, and buff lightly for a mirror-like shine that rivals professional detailing. Beyond its protective qualities, Cerakote excels in aesthetics, delivering maximum gloss, depth, and a slick, touchable finish that enhances color vibrancy and reflects light beautifully. Ideal for cars, trucks, or SUVs, this sealant combines convenience, durability, and luxury-level results. For those who demand exceptional paint protection with a brilliant, hydrophobic finish, Cerakote ceramic paint sealant is an essential addition to any detailing arsenal. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.